This meeting, what was the major outcome?
Well, it's still work in progress. The president has met with the Organised Labour as he has promised. He has kept his promise. This is, of course, in continuation of his regular consultation to arrive at a new national minimum wage that works for Nigeria. Recall that already there is 62,000 Naira that has been put out there, the government side, the organized private sector, but Organised Labour is still not accepting that. But we know that they will come to the table, and they have come to the table today. We know that this is going to be something that is going to be workable for Nigerians. The Organised Labour and government will reach an agreement. We have adjourned now for a week. The Labour Union has asked that government allow them at least a week to consult further. We have allowed them. We are going to reconvene in the next 1 week. And we hope and we believe that at the end of the day, we will have something good for all Nigerians. The president has always said that this is our country. The labor unions are Nigerians. We are all Nigerians. We have to work together to find something that works for all of us. And I think this is a step in the right direction. We do hope that by the time we come together again next week, we will have something that we can put out for Nigerians to see and to agree with.
Okay, Honorable Minister, as we have always known, this is not about the federal government alone. We had a tripartite committee that led to this moment. How is the federal government carrying other stakeholders along to be on the same page?
You know, a couple of weeks ago, we made an announcement after the Federal Executive Council meeting that the federal government will consult with the subnationals, will consult also with the private sector. And today he has met with Labour. So this is a continuation. All those members of the tripartite agreement will be met with, and the president is keeping to his promise to consult. He doesn't just want to take a unilateral decision. It's a decision that affects all of us. So he has consulted with the subnationals. Consultation with the organized private sector is ongoing. You have also seen that this consultation with the Organised Labour has also happened today. They have asked for a week, like I said earlier. We're going to meet with them again. Hopefully, we'll have something that all of us will agree on in the next 1 week.
Thank you so much, Honorable Minister.